Follow through is how you organize and design. And believe it or not, you all organize in some way. Think of this as this continuum of someone who is going to naturally more traditionally be systematic and plan. So those of you in the 7 through 10, you are going to design systems. You're naturally going to force closure. You're the people that put a timeline together for a project. You are great with a checklist because you're going to make sure that everything gets checked off. You're really the people who we need for the planning and the systems. Now, other end of that continuum, they have a system too, but their system is very much to organize in piles, to be adaptable. So what we need the 1 through 3s for is when things aren't going according to the plan, they adapt. They will actually develop workarounds. They're flexible and they thrive with making sure that they can minimize bureaucracy. Because if we have too much of that initiating follow through, maybe our systems are more complex and we need more straightforward solutions. Those of you in the middle, you're accommodating to the process as needed. So I know for my 5 and follow through, if someone has actually put together some kind of a system, then I'll tweak it a little bit and use it on my own. Starting from scratch on a process isn't great for me. Can I do it? Sure, but it's not as helpful. So we're the people who will kind of detect the discrepancies, will accommodate, maybe adjust procedures. I gave you a little idea of some of the roles that we've seen out in the workplace. 7 through 10s, we see that in pilots. We see it in teachers. Anytime where it's really critical to have a plan. Whereas the 1, 2s, and 3s, I find a lot of salespeople in that zone where if things aren't going according to plan, they have to follow the lead of the client instead of sticking to their script.